Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you all know me, I am Ruchi HP, student of Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Bangalore, from the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Mathematics for Computer Science. Probability distribution, binomial Poisson. Here is where our presentation begins. Agenda, introduction, distribution, types of distribution, probability distribution, binomial distribution, Poisson distribution. Introduction, probability distribution. Imagine a tool that helps us to predict the outcomes, understand uncertainties, and make informed decisions. Probability distribution provide that very framework offering insights into the likelihood of various events. Join me as we explore the fundamental concepts and applications of probability distribution in this engaging presentation. Distribution. There are two types of distribution: frequency distribution, probability distribution. Frequency distribution, it is a list of observed or actual frequency of all the outcomes of an experiment that actually occurred when the experiments were done. Probability distribution, it is a list of an probabilities of all the possible outcomes that could occur if the experiment was done. Types of probability distribution. Probability distribution was divided into two types: discrete probability distribution, continuous probability distribution. Discrete probability distribution divided into two types: binomial distributions and Poisson distribution. Continuous probability distributions divides into normal distribution. Probability distribution. There are two types: discrete distribution and continuous distribution. Discrete distribution, the random variables can take only limited numbers of values. Example, the number of heads in two tosses. Continuous distribution, random variable can be taken any values. Example, height of the students in the class. Binomial distributions. There are a certain phenomena in nature which can be identified as Bernoulli's processes, in which there is a fixed number of n trials carried out. Each trial has only two possible outcomes, say success or failure, or we can call it as true or false, etc. The probability of occurrence of any outcomes remains same over a successive trials. The trials are statically independent. Binomial distribution is a discrete probability distribution which expresses the probability of one set of alternatives, success P and failure Q. The probability of binomial distribution is equal to C to the power of nr, P to the power r, Q to the power n minus r. The probability of r successes in n trials. N is the number of trials undertaken, r is number of success desired, P is the probability of success, Q is the probability of failures. Measures of central tendency and dispersion for the binomial distribution. The mean of binomial distribution is equal to NP. The variance of binomial distribution is equal to NPQ. The standard deviation of binomial distribution is equal to root of NPQ. Q is the probability of failures, where Q is equal to 1 minus P, or 1 minus probability of success. Distribution. When there is a large number of trials but a small probability of success, the binomial calculation becomes impractical. If m is equal to mean number of occurrence of an event per unit interval of time or space, then the probability that will occur exactly x times in a given by the probability of Poisson distribution is equal to a to the power of minus m, m to the power of x divided by x factorial. Characteristics of Poisson distribution. It is a discrete distribution. Occurrences are statically independent. Mean number of occurrences in a unit of time is proportional to a size of unit. If 5 in 1 years or 10 in 2 years, etc., the mean of Poisson distribution is equal to m. The variance of Poisson distribution is equal to m, and the standard deviation of Poisson distribution is equal to root of m. Conclusion. The probability distribution describes the likelihood of different outcomes in a given set of events. The common types include the normal distribution, binomial distributions, and the Poissonous distributions. Each has a unique characteristics and application. Understanding this distribution aids in statically analysis, decision making, and modeling real world phenomena. Thank you for watching this video.